Hello friends, dear parents and dear students. I am Dr. Beena Johnson, Developmental Pediatrician and Senior Consultant in Child Guidance. Attention is the process of selectively focusing on a discrete information, ignoring other objects or ideas. Sustained attention is called concentration, which is very important for successful learning. Many students find it difficult to stay focused while studying. There are many scientific ways by which the concentration in studies can be increased. Create a good study environment. Find a quiet area which is comfortable for learning. Make a list of items you will need during your study session. Make sure you have only those items on your study table. Keep all the study materials and a bottle of water on the table. All these materials should be within the arm's reach. Keep your study space well organized. Eliminate all distractions while studying. Clear away all the materials which can be potential distractions. All the electronic gadgets which may cause distractions should be kept away from the study area. The distracting materials should not only be out of sight but also out of mind of the students in order to get maximum concentration in studies. Remember to subscribe this channel. Press the bell icon to get all the updates from the channel Best Child Development and Parenting. Set daily goals. Before the first study session of the day, create a detailed plan for the day. Be clear about what to achieve during each study session. Prepare a time schedule for studies. Study with regular breaks. Take regular small breaks after fixed intervals of study time. Regular breaks are essential to enhance the learning capacity and it will make learning a pleasant experience. It will also help to maintain high level of concentration. After a study session of 30 minutes, take 5 minutes break. Set study goals for each session. Continue this pattern of learning for about 4 sessions. After about 4 sessions, you can take longer break of about 20 to 30 minutes. Adopt effective study method. Each student should adopt an effective study method of choice which will help the child to focus on studies. Making note cards of important points as well as copying diagrams and structures while learning will help to improve concentration. Be an active learner. Actively participate in your studies with intrinsic motivation and strong determination. This will make the learning process more meaningful, which will also increase your ability to concentrate. Control distracting thoughts. When you become aware that your thoughts are not on your studies, critically analyze the situation and immediately focus back on your study material. Ensure adequate sleep every night. Adequate daily sleep make the mind relaxed and refreshed and concentration will naturally increase. Never become anxious because anxiety will reduce the ability to concentrate in studies. So be relaxed and calm. Always believe in yourself and improve your self-confidence. By improving the concentration, the students will be able to learn quickly and the overall efficiency as well as productivity will increase. Exam stress will also be reduced and children will be able to enjoy the studies. By implementing these effective techniques, concentration will improve during all the study sessions and the students will achieve excellence in examinations. My best wishes to all the students for excellence in exams. Thank you all. Kindly subscribe this channel for future updates on Best Child Development and Parenting.